Hey everybody, it's Mary here. I know I've been here in a while. Today I just decided that I was going to make some little cards with some little birds on them, and some more different cards, like journaling cards. But these will be like little thank you cards and just little cards that you can write in. So I thought I would just come on and show you what I had done. I had taken pieces of paper. Let me get a piece of paper here real quick. Double-sided works the best. And then any paper will work. And this here is a 2-inch punch. And what I did was I punch out a circle. And then I take it and I fold it in half. And I get a piece of cardstock and I glue it on, however, whatever which way I want it to be. Some glue here. Then I glue it on like this. I'll have it going up. And then you get a little orange piece. I have some little orange pieces down here somewhere I was using. Not exactly sure. And you make little beaks by cutting the little triangles out. Scissors. So then I just, there's a little beak. There like that, and glue that down, and you got his little beak there. And then you just draw any kind of tail that you want on him. Let's see what this pen is. I like the little curly cues. You can put a little top knot if you want. There's a little eye. And then you do his feet, like so. And then you have a little bird. So that's what I was doing today. Boy, the sun is coming in on here, isn't it? Bad. Hope you guys saw that. But anyway, there's a little bird. So I'll stick him over there in my pile. I'm sure that paper will run, or that ink will run. And then I was just, because it's so stark white, I decided that I was just going to go through here. This is vintage photo, and just go along the edges. This is my older one that I use with the water and stuff like that. And then you have all the edges, and then I have a little cup of water, and then I just age it with this because it's water soluble ink. Some more water there. Doesn't take a lot. And then I have this. Sorry for the noise. And then I just dry it real quick. Doesn't take very long to dry at all. It just kind of grunges it up a little bit. Takes that stark white off. And then I will, and then there he's done. still a little damp in spots, but I'm okay. And then I'll go through my words and my phrases, and I'll put little phrases on there. Oh, it got his beak all messed up, did I? But that's what I've been doing today. Just making these little guys because I was bored. So there he is. So that's what I was doing today. That's just a little quick video. Thanks. Have a great day.